Welcome guys to another video feature of IGCSE PE. In today's video, we're going to be talking about recovery and oxygen debt. When exercising at a high intensity using the anaerobic energy system, whereby there is no time for the body to use oxygen as an energy source, then we are focusing on anaerobic respiration. And a byproduct of this anaerobic respiration is lactic acid when we are focusing on anaerobic respiration. So what transpires when you use submaximal or maximal energy in the muscle cell? There is a buildup of this lactic acid, and it's a poisonous substance that prevents the muscles from operating optimally. This lactic acid needs to be removed from the muscle through three means. First, through water, which can be excreted through urine or used in other parts of the muscles. Then through carbon dioxide in the form of the lungs, where gaseous exchange takes place and it is breathed out, and also through glucose when it produces other forms of energy. So, for example, when completing a 100-meter race, there is no oxygen that is used, but at the end of the race, what takes place is EPOC, excess post-oxygen consumption, whereby the body needs to breathe in deeply to replace the oxygen that the muscle needs from the exercise that has taken place for the removal of lactic acid. And the rate of oxygen that is needed for the muscles is oxygen debt. So that is the total amount of oxygen that is required for the muscles to replace and regain their normal resting state. Then we have the factors that are affecting your recovery rate. So for example, your overall muscle size and fitness. If you have large muscles and you are very fit, the rate of recovery is very quick. Genetics is also another variable. Some people have just got a better rate of recovery than other people. Then we have age. The younger you are, the greater your likeliness of recovery will be than when we older. Then we have gender. Gender is females have got a higher rate of recovery than males. Sleep is also another variable. It's not just the quantity of sleep, but the quality of sleep. If you have quality sleep, then the rate of recovery will be higher. Other variables that we include in this rate of recovery includes things like nutrition, hydration, your cool down techniques, and level of injuries and lack of injuries.